Have you ever stopped and wondered, why don't buildings just fall down? I mean, we walk into skyscrapers, stadiums, even old cottages, and just assume they'll stand tall forever. But the real secret isn't just in the materials, it's in the design. Think about an archway or a pyramid. These shapes have been around for thousands of years. Even with weak materials, the geometry does most of the heavy lifting. The ancient Romans figured this out with their arches, and the Egyptians with their pyramids. It's not just brute strength, it's clever engineering. But what happens when buildings lose their balance? That's when things get risky. Age, damage, or just plain bad design can tip the scales, and a building that stood for decades starts to crack, lean, or even collapse. That's where forensic engineers and surveyors step in, building detectives. They study the clues, cracks in the walls, warped floors, total collapses to figure out what went wrong and how to stop it. Every building you see, from the house next door to the tallest tower, has to pass 6 big tests. First, strength. Can it handle all the weight piled on top of it? Second, stability. Will it stay upright in storms or quakes? Third, rigidity. Can it resist bending or twisting? Fourth, equilibrium. Are forces balanced or is something off-center? Fifth, robustness. Can it handle daily wear and tear? And finally, serviceability. Does it actually work for people? Let's look at real-world genius. Mesopotamians fired mud bricks into stone 4,000 years ago. In Cheshire, timber-framed houses were jacked up to stay level when the ground shifted. In Zimbabwe, builders used soil blocks and micro-concrete tiles for affordable, climate-smart homes. So next time you walk into a building, take a second to look around. You're not just surrounded by concrete or steel. You're inside a puzzle solved by thousands of years of trial, error, and creativity. Buildings stand up because we balance forces, shape materials, and learn from every mistake. That's the real magic. Design, balance, and a whole lot of ingenuity.